She was 14, I was 15. Me and Habibi had some big dreams, but we got lost up in the city. Oh, do you think I'll have to? We used to sneak up in them big rings. You used to run up on me this week, that week, this week, that week. You just wanted to be in my arms. Yeah. She said tonight, I don't wanna see the daylight now. You don't wanna see the daylight now. Everything is too okay right now. Yeah. Tonight, I don't wanna see the daylight now. You don't wanna see the daylight now. Everything is too okay right now. You should play for the movies. Showing purpose, feeling smoothies. Me and Habibi so moody. Oh, give you a piggy back, and I fell on my back. Give you some bruises, but you ain't nobody but on excuses. We stayed at home. She said tonight, I don't wanna see no daylight now. You don't wanna see no daylight now. Everything is too okay right now. Yeah. Tonight, I don't wanna see no daylight now. You don't wanna see no daylight now.
A round of applause for the Falcons, the players, the juniors, the sponsors of the African Speaking Street Party. That's exactly what we're talking about. All right, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Governor's Band. And here comes the Governor's Band right now. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to bring forward His Excellency Senator Professor Ben Ayade, CON, KSN Band. This is a non-competing band where they play a very important role in Carnival Calabar. In front of you, we have the King and Queen of Northwest. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, King and Queen of Northwest, the Northern Senatorial District of Crossing State, recently celebrated their festival. You will agree with me Okay. Governors, are you ready? They want to give us special performance. Now, show us what you got. Now, show us what you got. Now, show us what you got.
I must stop for you.
Very beautiful. Energy. Get to the move. Get. We are outside, we are vibing, we are cruising, and we are dancing. We are outside, we are vibing, we are cruising, and we are dancing. We can do this faster. We can do this faster. Come on. I don't care. You better do it. I'm saying better do it. Oh yeah, better do it. Oh yeah, shake it. You are not giving us the best energy. What's up? They hear that from Carnival Band.
It's a bit of money in them things.
The Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. They hear from Carnival Band. It's a non-competing band. The first part of the radio station is CSR. The best music radio station here at the Carnival FM. Best music, best show. The band is here with young people. That's what's up. about the happenings in the city. And Super Duper Company will play the best music on the best song. Check this out. And now, this section coming up, Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, is our black crew, and they have something to play, taking you back to the classics. And they're about to tell a very interesting story, and I hope that you can watch and get the story. Let's go. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my people, for this life, the many hours, you can fear women, oh baby, you go to trust woman, you go to trust woman, you never fear anything. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. And now introducing the Queen of the Hit FM Carnival Band. Now you will see the movie, The Woman King, or you are still in the history that you know about the Ladies and gentlemen, a multiple harvest. Wahala no dey finish. There is still some bullets. Kasawa. And in every traditional system, where man's worth is determined, you can tell the next voice. Thank you. That's my time. Our dreams into the international carnival coming up. Tomorrow at 29 at the Summer 2022 at the stadium, and this is Team South Africa. This is just a glimpse, ladies and gentlemen. You won't see nothing again. Tomorrow night. We call them the fire people, the fire people. So we say fire mapamina, fire mapamina, fire mapamina, fire mapamina, fire, 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 fire. We'll see you tomorrow at the stadium. Ladies and gentlemen, our sister country, and ladies and gentlemen, we also present to you our old neighboring country. G3 actually A to the end of A, Ghana! Ladies and gentlemen, contenders from Ghana. Ghana, Mapamina. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ghana. See you tomorrow. Thank you. And also we introduce to you our one and only Tanzania and Martin are like 5 and 6. Tanzania also. Tanzania, thank you, Baba. Thank you. Tanzania, thank you. See you tomorrow. Yes, we also present to you another country, no other but Cameroon. Are we ready for that? Let's just dance. That's it and go. We are meeting tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you will see at the International Carnival tomorrow. Make sure you are there. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow, if you choke, you don't know. If you choke, I mean don't choke. So ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, we run back to the next carnival band. Please. And tomorrow, in case you don't know, we'll be having live in Nigeria, Brazil. On this note, Your Excellency, we present to you the best carnival band, the newest of them all, no other but Carlos Vegas!
More music on DavePlay.com.
I will present to you this man. He's headed by a very old chief. The family himself. The one and only High Chief. One and only High Chief. No other but High Chief. He is the man leader. He is the leader. We'd like to reiterate, every band has 30 minutes. Please, that means that every section will last for 3 minutes only. A total of 30 minutes. If you exceed your time, you'll be marked as marked down. Thank you. Carlos Vegas, please play.
Also, as members of this band, ladies and gentlemen, we have the one and only, the evangelist, the political evangelist of our time.
Registered APC Secretary, talking about Barrister Mensa. Right there, all lined up looking gorgeously dressed. And let's see exactly what Las Vegas have done in store for us.
Also standing there, we have the assistant band leader of the Las Vegas band. We have Patsy Akin Okor. Ladies and gentlemen, Carlos Vegas.
All right, let's go. Carlos Vegas, let's go, let's go. Your time. As I come to, let's go.
Carlos Vegas, let's have you. Let's have Carlos Vegas.
DJ, are you ready? DJ, let's go. Let's go, DJ. Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Carlos Vegas!
DJ, are you ready for me? Are you ready? Laga. Now, ladies and gentlemen, while we're still waiting for that, let's remind you that tomorrow at the UJ Sona Stadium, we're having our International Carnival. International Carnival at the UJ Sona Stadium. And trust me, we are bringing a special guest art to the city of Calabar. Meanwhile, we anticipate the wonderful performance of the newest band in Nigeria, Las Vegas. DJ, are you ready for me? Alright, DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, Las Vegas, we want to sit here. They're trying to show you our wonderful governor. This is known as a multimedia engagement. We let you know, the governor of Cross River State,
Showing us our growing industrialization in Cross River State.
a beautiful Queens.
Queens represented from all across Nigeria.
Are you
His Excellency, the Governor of Cross River State, Sir Ben Ayade.
Please can put your hands together for the Las Vegas band. Please, a round of applause.
Las Vegas, Ibana the Giants.
Next we are seeing the Magician Governor, a governor who with lean resources has turned Cross River State into an industrialized state, has turned Cross River State with our mineral resources into an industrialization in agriculture and otherwise. Ladies and gentlemen, the governor of Cross River State is a magician indeed to have done what he has done with the little resources made available to the state. Our governor is a magician indeed. Watch what is about to happen. Now you come forward. This will show you the magic that our governor has done in the last years. He has taken Cross River State from nothing and has produced so much.
Wow, please put your hands together. What is going on? Your Excellency, we never knew that you're a magician. What is this? Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. What does he want to show us?
It is true that service is not for nothing. Watch this, watch this. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, he has taken nothing in and he has produced. Yes! Thank you! That's like with His Excellency, Governor Ayade. He takes nothing and makes something out of it.
Turn your mouth for
That's when my eye they see no day house.
I don't get anything when you want. I don't get. I beg you to
I
go.
know one borrow anything. That's why they borrow don't pack.
I beg you to go.
Now things don't better for Cross River State.
I don't hear. I want to go. Make you go. Make you
They
go.
will stop me. Now what did they do you?
I got one boy wey dey under me and my local government is in there. No, I don go hospital. Doctor talk say make I no talk too much and if person dey talk wey I dey
My neighbor, I don't understand you. Oh yeah, now make I go.
no I no dey go abeg.
No neighbor, I don't fit leave you like this.
Abeg say make you go. Oh my God, thank you for doing now.
Now what did they do you now?
Abeg make you go. Abeg make you go. Go.
No, I don't fit leave you like this. No. I don't understand. I never see you like this.
Abeg make you go. Hey.
I won't go anywhere.
Make you go die.
Neighbor. Now what did they hide?
I don see am now wetin na.
Prepare to drop. Because I won't lack anything right now. The time why they borrow, now in the past. Neighbor, try to behave like this now.
I know say life dey difficult for me now. I just took this idea make I take am my body. Now you went and
You know say you know there around. As you come back to Cross River State, you for ask me, make I tell you wetin happen.
wetin dey happen?
Hardship don finish. Poultry farmers are now rich people. I mean, garment factories there's a
the economic transformation of our people. Now, you witness the true strength of the true giant in whose brain is larger than his.
You have 3 minutes in this session.
Your Excellency, it's going to be a very wonderful session to watch. I'm very sure. Thank you, Carlos Vegas. Thank you. Thank you. Las Vegas, you have just 7 more minutes. Very nice, wonderful one from Las Vegas. Please can you put your hands together for Las Vegas band? Please, round of applause. Thank you, Las Vegas.
You can see that cocoa farming has thrived under His Excellency Governor Ayade's administration. This is the Kalachika being represented, the cocoa factory. The cocoa factory is being represented here. We see agro-industrialization.
The stories of this big man. Right and you carry with me. As we celebrate, that there is no reason to celebrate the victories of this great giant in our big and beautiful nation. Thank you. Let's keep moving, Las Vegas. Yes, sir. The rice factory, the government factory.
Alright, keep moving. Rice factory, keep moving. Kissimi noodles, thank you. Thank you. Of course, the technology has been revived. Las Vegas, thank you. Please, Las Vegas, you have just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes to end your performance. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Las Vegas with the Carnival Fire Troupe. Are you seeing this? Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Ladies and gentlemen, Las Vegas! We have Undertaker! Undertaker!
DJ 007.
Las Vegas, 1 more minute to end the performance. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Thank you. All right, thank you. Las Vegas. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, Las Vegas. Thank you. Amazing performance. Las Vegas, thank you. Fireman, thank you. With your fire.
DJ 007.
Happiness is free. Thank you very much, Las Vegas. Oh, it's a happy night.
Ladies and gentlemen,
and a new land called the Cowboys and Girls, such ingenuity and grace.
ladies and gentlemen, the Green Mile Gate is about to go open to unravel the beauty the Diamond Band has for all of us. Can you just see this wonderful Green Mile Gate?
The Green Mile Gate shows the journey of man from the early age, the journey of agriculture from the early age down to the very point where industrialization happened. It's also the journey of how agro-industrialization is now. So let's welcome the new land, the Cowboys and Girls.
Cowboys and Cowgirls all the way from Diamond, ladies and gentlemen. If this is a creativity from Diamond Band, then oh my God, I have no idea in the world what this is. This is sheer mastery of the art. This is sheer mastery of the art. And it is so beautiful to behold. So beautiful to behold.
This line of Cowboys and Girls shows us the ingenuity and class of Diamond Band.
Ready to come from ready to go.
Diamond Band is a show so Diamond Band shows us the ability to cowboys.
Ready to come from ready to go. Ready to come from ready to go.
yourselves the proper synchronization in your steps. As part of the opening date, now we all know the world is controlled by 4 elements responsible for the growth of agricultural production in the world. These elements include fire or sunshine, the land, the air, and the wind. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the god of fire and sunshine.
The god of fire, representing the elements that encompasses sunlight. As we now know that crops cannot grow without sunlight. And so this magnificent god of fire represents how much this element is needed for the crops to get the nutrients it needs.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming next, the god of land. As we can look at his stomach, round with the plenty food that the earth is enriched with, showing you that the earth is blessed with plenty for everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that without the earth, planting is impossible. The earth is where the plants can rest and drink their roots into the crust where they derive nutrients. Ladies and gentlemen, as perfectly visualized here by Diamond Band, we have the god of the land.
And next, we have the god of the wind, visualizing the element of air that we. And this god of the wind represents how much the element of air is important to the growth of crops, is important to agricultural production.
Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that we as human beings need oxygen to breathe, and when we breathe out carbon dioxide, the plants take it in and give us back oxygen in turn. Without air, the plants can't grow. Up next, we have the goddess of water. As we all know, water is very vital for your plants to grow. But without water, the plants dry and die up. But as you reach this water to satisfy your chest after a hard day's labor under the sun, we know that the plants also need water. It is why we have plants with taproots reaching deep into the earth crust to drink of the water therein. And we all have plants with fibrous roots stretching to find water wherever it may be in the earth crust. Ladies and gentlemen, we present from Diamond Band, the goddess of water and her amazing acolytes.
All these elements, the air, the fire, the land, and the water, tells us how much the elements will get together to show that crops and plant growth industrialization will never happen without the blend of these elements. So now, the story begins.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will clearly witness that the earth is fertile and open for harnessing with the combination of all these elements. You can see that our barn is full with yam. Yam. Now the goodness. Going to the farm. It is so far. All right.
And of course, we gotta prove this love with the
war becomes real. As man begins to gather food, they begin to steal each other's land. And then the war comes in. The consequences, the repercussion of the war is so damaging. Everyone suffers. The blind girl slept to rot in the ground. The men to the earth are left dead. Women and children starve from this. The war is damaging.
With the war raging on, we see that farmers now become warriors. And for this reason, the farms are left unattended to. The crops in the earth left to rot and die. Families slaughtered.
Please, every session has 3 minutes. Please. You have 3 more minutes. Arise, 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 arise. Your time has come. Your time has come. They invoke steel. We invoke. Please, now if you should help us now. Please. We are still invoking. Freedom is keep moving. The egg is touching. How amazing. Next. Thank you, Freedom Band. Thank you. Next. Freedom Band, please, thank you so much. Next station. And the egg has touched. The egg has touched. Amazing. 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 The egg achieves to produce the great avatar. The great avatar. Thank you, Diamond Band. That's your time. Thank you. Thank you, Freedom Band. The avatar comes to console them. Freedom Band, thank you.
Thank you.